One of Foamfrax's best applications is as a repair tool on existing linings. To fill in voids caused by missing modules, to touch up hotspots, or to improve insulation and efficiency, Foamfrax is a maintenance tool that should be in everyone's arsenal. Most repairs begin with a good thorough cleaning of the existing surface. When working on existing fiber insulation, a curry comb often works best. Watering down the surface minimizes airborne fiber. On hard refractory, bristled brushes or brooms, as well as compressed air, work well. Once all loose debris has been removed, re-wet the area to prepare it for a coating of fiber stick. This acts as a binder between the existing lining and Foamfrax. Remove any loose modules and coat thoroughly with fiber stick. Begin gunning areas that need to be repaired. Gunning Foamfrax from a distance of 18 to 24 inches away from the surface is recommended. Overshot can be trimmed away if necessary. Once all repair areas are filled in and the job is complete, the system can be immediately fired and put into service. When used properly, Foamfrax can increase efficiency, improve production, and reduce fuel costs.